Elections keep happening, but Parliament's budget session is very important as it draws a blueprint for the entire year. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Monday and urged all MPs to make it fruitful by holding discussions with an open mind. Addressing the media ahead of the start of the session, Modi said it is true that because of frequent elections, sessions and discussions get affected, but elections have their own place and will keep happening, and hoped that there are discussions that are free, thoughtful, full of human sensitivities and with good intent. Modi further said, I urge all members of parliament that elections have their own place and will keep happening. This budget session, in a way, draws a blueprint for an entire year, and therefore it is very important. The session comes ahead of assembly polls from February 10th to March 7th in 5 states: Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Manipur, Uttarakhand and Goa. The counting votes would take place on March 10th. The session of parliament is likely to be stormy, with opposition parties all geared up to raise farmers' issues and the border row with China.